So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find listings that allow pets here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and search up your location. Once that is done, go ahead and press search. Now, if you're looking to find maybe a building, so maybe in this case an apartment complex or whatever, that does allow pets, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top here, press on filters, then just scroll down to where it says home features. And I want you to go ahead and make sure that where it says pets allowed is selected. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on See Homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings here for sale. So obviously if it's a home, you can allow a pet if you want, but if it's a condo complex or whatever, that's where this could come into handy if you're looking to find a building that has that I guess is pet friendly. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find listings that allow pets here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.